it's Jamie Jo from Jamie Jo Sells Wax. I have a fragrance company and I have partnered with Scentsy Fragrance since all the way back in 2008. So over 14 years now, I have been working with Scentsy and absolutely loving every single minute of it. Today, I just got an order in and just pulled the paper out of the top. I saw all these awesome goodies in here and I wanted to just take a minute and do an unboxing with you guys. I know you guys love to see what I get in random orders, so I thought I'll just pop up my camera and have you guys join me as I go through this Scentsy box of orders. Now, this is a combination of stuff for myself and for my customers, and I have been really excited to get this order in. So let's go ahead and start going through it. I have quite a few different pods in here. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Scentsy pods, they are the most amazing thing. So they're these little plastic cages that have fragrance beads inside. They work with a couple different items. They work with our wall fan diffusers, with our mini diffusers, or our mini fan diffusers. They work with Scentsy Go, which is this, our rechargeable wall fan. Not really wall fan. Words are not being my friend today. But also, I use them a lot in my air purifier. There's a spot in the top of that air purifier for 2 pods. So I remember that I ordered these pods for me. I was just needing some new ones. So I just grabbed a collection of different ones. White, amber, and teak. I really love this one for the air purifier in the bedroom. It's kind of a masculine scent, so I really enjoy that. I got Make a Splash, which I'm gonna do a fun video for tomorrow for you guys about why I chose Make a Splash, because you're gonna see quite a few different items in this order that are all in the scent Make a Splash. So make sure you tune in tomorrow to see what I'm going to do with all those Make a Splash items. I got Sandalwood and Tangerine. It's kind of a masculine scent too, but with a little fruit on top of it. Smells so good. So I don't know where I'll use that. I'll just have them on hand for a while. Whipped Vanilla Lavender. I absolutely love this fragrance. If you are a fan of English lavender, this is a scent for you. We have had French lavender for quite some time, and this is finally the best English lavender scent that we've ever had in my 14 years. So I'm really excited about that. I never say this right. Kukui and coconut. I think that's how you say it. Just like a yummy, summer, fresh, fun smell. That will probably go in my hallway right next to the litter box. Coastal Sunset. Actually, this might, I'm sure I'll end up using both of them next to the litter box. I just like a fresh, fruity fragrance over there. I only have 1 cat, so it doesn't get too stinky, but you know, it's always good to have some good fragrance. All right, I warned you guys, lots of Make a Splash stuff. This is our fragrance mist. This has actually been discontinued, but I snagged it off the clearance section. Again, stay tuned tomorrow to find out why. I got Make a Splash body cream. I got Make a Splash body wash. I got Make a Splash hand cream. Oh, some Luna hand soap. I was out of hand soap next to my bathroom sink, and I absolutely love this one. Here's what I love about our hand soaps. This bottle is pretty hefty. Like, compared to the bottles of the cheap stuff that you get at Walmart or Target, this is quite a bit bigger. I also love that you legit are able to squirt out every single last drop of this bottle. So many of the soaps that I've gotten at the big box stores, like, you can still see that there's tons of soap down in the bottom, but it won't squirt out. So then you have to take it off. You have to like dump it out in your hand. I just don't like it. I don't know where we're getting our pumps. I don't know what the magic about our pumps is, but you're going to get every single last drop of hand soap out of this container. So that's one of the reasons I love our hand soap. A couple, well, no, maybe just one, wall fan diffuser. This is just something I'm going to have on hand It's a great gift if someone messages me and needs a gift. So just a cute little wall fan diffuser. I got it in marble black. So I got to take it out of the plastic. You can't see it in the plastic. So it's just a great look. These are fabulous for anyone that works remotely. They can take it with them and just use the USB to plug right into their computer. It's great for cars that have that USB port that you can put the fragrance pot on there and makes your car smell so good. It's just a great little item, perfectly giftable, only $15, so a fabulous price point. I just like to have some on hand for my customers. I got a bunch of different colored bulbs. Guys, I really think this is something that maybe I've been sleeping on because we have so many warmers that just, I mean, they're just a basic white light, but we could easily change the light bulbs. We've had colored bulbs for quite a while. I've known this. I've just never played around with them. So I got a green one. I got an orange one. I got a red one. I got a blue one. I got a purple one. So I am going to find one of my warmers, probably the warmer of the month, because I think it'll be a great one to feature the colored light bulbs. I'm gonna just play around with that, probably do some shorts on here on YouTube, do some reels on Instagram, and just show you guys the power of just changing that colored light bulb and how it truly changes the look of a warmer. Just regular light bulbs, always needing light bulbs. Always, always. Ooh, I got some new fragrance flowers. Coastal Sunset fragrance flower and whipped vanilla lavender. So if you guys are not familiar with our fragrance flowers, this is what they look like. This one is fully dried up, but there is an oil down in the jar. You pop the fragrance flower down in there. This is actually wood. It's crazy to me that they can make wood into those shapes and look so beautiful, but it's Sola wood. Those are hand tied in India, and the wick from that flower soaks up the oil, puts off fragrance for 2 to 3 months, guys. That's insane that one of those lasts for 2 to 3 months. I have one in my potty closet. That's what I call it, at least. We have the bathroom where it's just a closet, essentially, with the toilet and a cabinet above it. So no outlet. So I can't put a warmer or a wall fan in there to help with the fragrance. So I put one of those fragrance flowers on the back of the potty. So that's what I use mine for. As I was running a little low on some of my packs, Scentsy packs. So I got some of those. Coastal Sunset, Magnolia Linen, Make a Splash. That's going to go in my Make a Splash pile for my next video. Jami Time. Blue Grotto. And one more. Newborn Nursery. Guys, I have a grandbaby on the way. And I will be sending her a Scentsy buddy. I snagged one a long time ago. The cutest little koala. So I have been hanging on to it, and I'm so excited to take it. Actually, I said send. I'm going to take it up to her when she makes her little appearance. So I will have that to gift to her, and I'm going to have some extra scent packs for them to tuck around the nursery. They're just great to have on hand for fragrance. Kukui and Coconut Scent Circle. I'm going to put this in my little fun car. I have a practical car and I have a fun car. So, and guys, the rest of this box is for a bunch of my customers. These are all car bar clips. Now, I did a big feature on car bar clips. Oh, there's still one more in there. I did a big feature on them with my customers for 2 reasons. The first reason is I absolutely love car bar clips. The second reason is, Scentsy discontinued them, which is so sad, but that means they were on clearance. So these were a great price. So you can see that several of my customers took me up on that fabulous deal. So I have a bunch of car bar clips to get out to my customers. I'm telling you, these are the best thing ever, ever, ever. So jump over to the clearance tab and see if there's any left there. If not, the car bars are the next best thing. They hang from the rear view mirror. I like that these hooked onto the vent. The car bars, it's essentially the same thing. It's just with the strap instead of the clip. So they still work just as amazing. I just personally like the presentation of the clips better than the hanging. But whatever. Whatever. I'm not going to tell you how aggravated I am they were discontinued, except I just did. Hopefully they will hear my plea and bring them back out. Guys, I didn't have anything magical to share with you guys today. I just got that new order in, and I know you guys love to see me unbox orders. So thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure you tune in tomorrow so you can figure out what I'm doing with all that Make a Splash stuff. I got all those different Make a Splash things, and I'm so excited to tell you guys what I am doing with those. So make sure you tune in. If you guys are ready to place an order or jump on board with a partnership with Scentsy, I would love to help you with either of those things. You can jump right over to my website, JamiJoSellsWax.com, or shoot me a text at 918-888-9690. I am happy to have a chat with you there, or you could take care of everything yourself on my website. Either way, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy, and hopefully you enjoyed going through that box of goodies with me.